Welcome to Yeah, Sweat, and Cheers. I am Darlene, Exercise Queen, and we're here to do the 5th exercise in the series of 5 exercises. So this one is a simple one. It will work your waist, it will work your back, your arms, but we put our arms out to the sides like this. This is called the windmill touch toe. So you put your arms out and then you just touch each toe. As you come up, squeeze your behind. So we're going to get started. This is an easy exercise. We're going to do this for 1 minute. So let's go. You can put your feet at a good position that's comfortable for you so that you can keep your balance. But just touch each hand to the opposite toe. You're doing great. Just keep it up. Do as many as you can, up to a minute. If you can't do that minute, do what you can and then relax. You should swing the opposite arm up and back. All right. Good job. Okay, you've done a great job. You've done all 5 exercises, and this is basically for beginners to do 1 minute of each exercise to begin with. If you feel full of energy and you want to go back through it, do it again. It's all going to be good for you. We're looking forward to you feeling better by the end of the year and into the new year, and also by the time the summer gets here. So I am Darlene, Exercise Queen, here at Yeah, Sweat, and Cheers. God bless. I love you, and keep it moving.